Welcome to this video. My name is Mark Scythian. The date today is July 5th, 2024. So this lecture is going to focus on solving ordered pair equations, two different linear equations, and finding their intersection point. We can solve this graphically or we can solve this mathematically. So this is a method to solve these equations intersection point mathematically. So the first step, we can take the first equation and just solve for y. So in this case, y is x minus 3x. So this becomes y is equal to negative 2x. Then by means of substitution, we can take the value of y, which is negative 2x, and place that value into the y component of the second equation. So if we do so, then we get 10 parentheses negative 2x minus x is equal to 14. So if we distribute, we get negative 20x minus x is equal to 14. So if we were to then simplify, we get negative 21x is equal to 14. Then solving for x, dividing both sides by 21 to isolate x is equal to negative 14 21sts, and then we can take this to its lowest term. So the 14 is a product of 2 and 7, and then 7 divides into 21 3 times, so that is negative 2/3. So our x function, or x component, is equal to negative 2/3. So now if we take our x component and then either substitute it into the second, or in this case the first equation for simplicity, we now get 3x plus y is equal to x. So 3 times negative 2/3 plus y is equal to, once again, x. So now all we have to do is solve for y. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Divided into 3, obviously the 3 and the denominator cancel out. Plus y is equal to negative 2/3. So negative 6 over 3 becomes negative 2, plus y is equal to negative 2/3. So then y is equal to negative 2/3 plus 2, because we bring the negative 2 from the left side to the right side, so plus 2. And so now all we're doing is just adding two fractions, negative 2/3 plus 2 over 1 we get a common denominator of 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3, times 2 is 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1, times -2 is -2. So this then reduces to -2 plus +6. So this becomes +4 with the common denominator. So we have plus 4/3 is equal to y. So our y value is 4/3. So we can also write this as -2/3 for x and 4/3 for y. That's the intersection point of these two linear equations, which can also be written as -0.66 1.33. So that's the intersection point here. So if we were to get an idea of its graph, here's our y-axis, here's our x-axis. Obviously, the x is starting somewhere in the negative, so we'll call this 1, -1. So -2/3. And then we will write for the y-axis +1, +2. So -0.66 for x and +1.33 for y. So that would be our intersection point. So you could use also the y is equal to mx plus b method to solve for the m value or the slope, the rise over run, the y over x, and then of course the y-intercept is the b value, but the question only asks for the intersection point. So the final answer is -0.66 for x, +1.33 for y. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.